Welcome to Meaningful Activities to Generate Interesting Classrooms, Section 1, Course Portfolio and Future Preparations. You will complete various action research assessments and application assessments to fulfill the requirements for this course. We will assign these assessments at times that are appropriate to the corresponding content learned. Remember, the assessments for this course follow the premise of learn it today, use it tomorrow. Expanding expertise and applying what you have learned to the classroom and teacher practice is our goal in this course. Please locate Course Portfolio page 3, Course Portfolio Contents and Scoring in the back of your manual. This table delineates the various assessments you are required to complete for this course. The action research assessments are 50% of the final grade, and the application assessments are 50% of the final grade. We will review the expectations for each of the course portfolio requirements at appropriate times throughout the course. The first application assessment you can now complete corresponds to the reflection connection you just considered. These reflections are done at various times throughout the course. Research shows that reflection is a necessary learning strategy that helps cement learning and facilitate recall. As we reflect, we make sense of what we have learned and make connections to the classroom and teacher practice. Let's review this assessment. Please locate Assessment 3 on Canvas, Assignments, Course Portfolio, Assessment 3, along with the rubric for this assessment. As previously mentioned, throughout this course, you will complete 10 reflections like you just reviewed in the Reflection Connection section. You will use the Reflection Connection templates located on Canvas. Per the directions, you will select 5 of these reflections to submit to your instructor for assessing. Be sure to follow the directions specifically and complete the assessment in alignment with the rubric criteria. Since this activity incorporates aspects from each course section, it cannot be submitted until the end of the course. All course portfolio items are due on the last class day by midnight. Assessment 1, Resource Reviews. As educators, it is important that we stay current with the educational literature in our field. We must stay current with the new trends and research-based strategies that are discussed. Being a lifelong learner is what enhances our expertise and makes us masters of our craft. Please go to Canvas, Assignments, Assessment 1, Resource Review for the activity template and rubrics. In this action research assessment, you are to read 3 course-related articles or view course-related videos and write a review on each one. On the last page of the Assessment 1 template, there is an Articles and Resources list that corresponds to the topics for the course that you can use for your reviews. An expanded Articles and Resources list is available in the course library articles for this course. This review must include a summary, opinion, and application. Please be sure to follow the directions specifically and complete the assessment in alignment with the rubric criteria. This activity should be completed sooner rather than later, as it forms the basis for the information you will find in Assessment 2, Expanding Expertise. One of your article reviews will be discussed in Activity Sharing Session 4, which occurs at the end of Section 4, Part 4, Positioning Activities Review, which is in Class Session 8. The other 2 article reviews will be discussed in Activities Sharing Session 5, which occurs at the end of Section 4, Part 5, Positioning Activities, culminating in Class Session 9. Assessment 2, Expanding Expertise Exchange. Effective educators make the best use of resources at their fingertips. They routinely search for new and innovative methods strategies, and activities to enhance learning. Many of the resources found have been field tested by other educators, shared online, and easily implemented in the classroom. Please locate Assessment 2, Expanding Expertise, on Canvas, Assignments, Course Portfolio. In this assessment, you are to expand your expertise and that of your colleagues by finding new methods, strategies, and activities online that are not included in the curriculum that you can implement and share with your colleagues. In this action research assessment, you are to find at least 10 educational resources and websites for new methods, strategies, and activities related to, but not included in, our course curriculum. You may also access Pinterest for ideas, as well as ideas learned through other resources and already used in the classroom. You are required to list the resources you research and the new ideas you find. A table for listing your new methods, strategies, and activities is provided in the Assessment 2 template. Then you will select 2 new methods, strategies, or activities to describe. If school is in session and if your curriculum allows, implement the methods, strategies, or activities you select and report the results. Finally, later in the course, you will share your new methods, strategies, or activities in an activity sharing session. You are asked to support your sharing with visuals, materials, or resources. Be sure to follow the directions specifically and complete the assessment in alignment with the rubric criteria. As previously stated, we will go into the specific requirements for each assessment at the appropriate time throughout the course, after learning the information that corresponds to that assessment. Now, the course library. All of the supporting materials for this course are available in the PLS Third Learning Course Library, which is linked from this course homepage. Those of you who elected to use the digital manual have already accessed this resource. Locate pages Roman numeral 1 and 2 Course Library in the front of your participant manual. Once you have unlocked the course, you have access to all of the supporting materials for this course at any time. You are encouraged to access this resource as soon as possible and let me know if you have any issues or questions. Completing assessments. The action research assessments and application assessments have templates to help you complete each assessment. You will find the assessments in Canvas, Assignments, Course Portfolio. Communications folder. Our communications folder will exist in Canvas. In Canvas modules, you will find a section check-in. At the end of each class, you will briefly write to your instructor to share your thoughts, comments, and questions. He or she will write back to you. This allows your instructor to stay plugged into your insights and obstacles. In Section 3, Part 1, Unlocking Creativity, we are going to discuss how to recognize creativity. Please search for advertisements that you feel are creative. Be prepared to show or share a creative advertisement and why you found it to be creative. We will discuss these creative advertisements during the first half of Section 3, Unlocking Creativity. This concludes Section 1, Course Portfolio and Future Preparations. Please go to Canvas Modules Section 1 and ensure all activities are complete.